In the midst of partying and celebration, it's worth keeping an eye on your valuables. The golden rule is never to put valuables in your back pockets. You never know whose hand might reach into your pockets. That's what happened to a guy who lost something important and valuable to him on New Year's Eve. He's panicking and he and his friend are searching the street for the item. But they don't know that in the distance someone is admiring the shiny object, walking quietly away. Stay tuned for the next one.